I'm your great grandma Nancy. I'm excited to see you and welcoming you to our family. Whether boy or girl, it's okay with me, but I prefer you're a girl. Basta healthy lang. Praying for you and your mom. Lola loves you so much and Ken, hoping for safe delivery. Love you ba?
Hi baby, it's Ninang Aliyah here and I think you're going to be a boy. But regardless, we're all so excited to meet you and you're already so loved.
Hello, I want to say hi to everyone who's as excited as me. I'm rooting for a baby girl. That's why I'm wearing this pink. And a quick backstory. Upon learning about you, I became very emotional due to some reasons that me and my daughter only knows. But anyway, this is your mommy La, this is your mama La, as I wanted to be called. I really looking forward to hug and kiss you and to see you, the Gucci's that we have. Anyway, I'm rooting for a baby girl and I know you're a baby girl. Anyway, for a boy, it's another pogi in my jeans. Goodbye, everybody.
Hello, I'm your Ninang Angela and I think you're a girl.
Hi, baby. I think boy ka. But I really hope na you're a girl kasi I know marami kami ituturo sa'yo ni Caitlin na kaartihan. Charot. Ayun. I can't wait to see you and meet you soon and I can't wait to be your favorite ninang. Cool favorite ninang. So, see you soon!
Hi, I'm your Ninang Krija, and I think you're a boy.
Hello, I'm your Tito JJ from Canada, and I think you're a girl. I wish your mom and dad a wonderful and healthy delivery, and I wish you a wonderful life filled with happiness and love and all the blessings. Take care. Bye.
Hi, Kay! Sko, buntis ka. Ano ba yan? Babae o lalaki? Feeling ko, lalaki. Wag lang bakla, utang na loob, KK. Love you, ingat. Pati jowa mo, maingat kayo dyan.
Hey, I'm your Ninong Daniel, and I think you're gonna be a girl.
Hi! Hi, baby. Baby! I'm your Ninang Che, and I think you're gonna be a baby girl. Yes, my next DHQ. Ganun! Love you, Kate and Ken. Wishing all the best for the baby and good health.
Hi baby, I'm your Ninong Ischan and I think you're a girl cause you know.
Hi, baby. I'm your Ninang Tin, and I think you're gonna be a girl.
Hi, I'm your Ninang Eliza, and I think you are a girl. I hope it's a girl.
Hi, I'm your Ninang Andy, and I think you're gonna be a beautiful baby girl like your mommy and your Ninangs. Can't wait to meet you. Mwah!
Hi, baby. I'm your Tita Les, and I think you're a girl.
Hi. Kay, I'm wishing you all the best. Have a safe delivery. Sana babae. Kasi Ate Shannon has 2 boys. So sana ikaw babae. Galingan mo mag-push ha. Kasi nung buntis kami ng mami mo at saka ako, sabi ng doktor namin nung nanganak na ako kay Kuya Sean, sabi niya, ay, nako, mas magaling mag-push si ate mo sa'yo. That's Kuya Gian. Anyway, I wish you all the best. Sana maging safe ang delivery mo. I know you're gonna be a good mom. Ingat ka, okay? Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi ako maganda today. Okay. Bye, Kay. Ingat ka. Good luck. Congratulations again. Bye.
Congrats nga pala sa kumpadre ko, Ken, and kumadre Kate. Congrats to you both, and we're so happy for the blessing, and I think it's gonna be what?
Go!
Either way, bro, your little one is already so loved.
Team girl. Hi baby, I am your Tita Karina and I think that you will be a girl, but regardless of the gender, I hope that you know that you are very much loved. Kahit wala ka pa, kahit hindi ka pa napapanganak, just know that I will love you as much as I love your mom. And I hope that when the time comes na you are of age and you come to see this video, you would realize how much you are loved, how much you are blessed that Caitlin is your mama. So I hope to see you soon.
Hi, I'm your Ninang Edwina, and I think you're gonna be a baby girl, but it doesn't matter if you're a girl or a boy because I know your mom will be slay in raising you anyway.
Hello OC from Philippines. It's me, your Tita Sheena, for Team Girl. Team Girl.
Hi KK. Congratulations on your guys' baby, and I think you are having a baby girl.
Can you help me take this picture?
Hi Kuya Ken and Ate Kate. I think it's a girl. For me lang, it's a girl. For me.
Hi, I'm Tita Nene and I think you're a baby girl. I hope too.
Hi baby, I'm your Ate Mao and I think you're gonna be a girl.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how we wonder who you are. Pink or blue, we can wait to meet you. Hi Ken. Hi Kate. Congratulations.
Hi Kuya Ken. Hi Ate Kate. Congratulations.
Pink or blue, pink or blue. For me, it's a pink.
For me, it's a blue.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello.
Yeah.
Ano sa'yo, men? Boy or girl?
Boy.
Hi, Kuya Ken. Sabihin mo.
Hello, Kuya Ken.
Hi, Ate Kate.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Ate Kate.
Kate.
Hello, Ate.
Say mo na, boy or girl? Bakwa.
Hi. Hello.
Ano say mo tayo, girl or boy?
Laki. Ako
Okay, ikaw na.
Laki.
Okay.
Hi, I'm your Tata Beth and the flower is pink, my shirt is pink, slippers are pink. I think you're a girl.
Hi baby, I'm your Tita Ye, and I think you're a boy. Bye!
Baby, ang kuya. Gusto ko. Maging ikaw.
Sa unang tingin agad na humaling sa nagniningning mong mga mata. Ika'y isang bituin na nagmula sa langit. Hindi ko mawari ang tagal ay mong dinatangi. Sadya namang nakakapighani, di may paliwanag ang nararamdaman. Namumukadkad ang aking ligaya sa tuwing ika'y papalapit na. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay, o para't luman, ika'y akin ang tatalin sa di mo inasahang paraiso. Palagi pinagdaan mahiwagaan. Liwanag na dulot mo nagbigay sinag sa madilim kong mundo. Ibang-iba ako kapag ikaw na ang kapili. Sumisibing ang buwan at mga bituin na para ba sumasang-ayon sa atin ang kalawakan. Namumukat-kad ang aking ligaya sa tuwing ika'y papalapit na. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay. O para luman kay aking nagdadalhin sa di mo inasahang paraiso. Palagi kita nawitan ng kundi man sasama. Di ka pababayaan. Sasayaw kita hanggang sa walang hanggan.
Wow! Wow! Cookies! What is? What's that? What the
I'm happy.
Oh my God! No way! What the fuck? Seriously? Holy shit! Putang ina! What the fuck? Congratulations! I was gonna cry.
Hey guys, so I've got the results for the baby. I'm about to open it. I'm gonna be the first one to know what the gender of the baby is. Okay, here's the envelope. Alright. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's a girl! Yes! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be a girl auntie. Yes, guys. Oh my gosh. OMG. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. What the heck? I'd be happy regardless what gender, but I was hoping it was a girl. Yeah! Oh my gosh. Okay, bye guys.